Hey guys, welcome to Crunch Cricket. What is Crunch Cricket? Well, cricket started as a 5-day format. From there, we got the 50 over format. From there, we got T20 cricket, and now the English are introducing us to the 100 ball format. Whatever said and done, the shorter the format, the more fireworks, the more entertainment. So with Crunch Cricket, I want to give you my cricket views, cricket news, my perspectives and some stories about the game, all crunched within 1 minute or a little more than that. What I want you to do is follow my page, of course, and also comment on the videos that I post every time with your opinions and your views as well, because that way I get to learn more about the game myself, and every single time I can give you a better video. Thanks guys, and see you in my next video.